we introduced the on-site installation of the fixed camera system. Fix the arm to the pillar with a suitable U-bolt. Tighten the screws with a socket tool. In the same way, tighten other screws. Same way, install the other arm. Fasten the waterproof box to the base. Fix the solar panel on the base. Through the 3 screws on the left and right of the base, we can adjust the angle of the solar panel. After adjusting the angle, you need to retighten the screws. Connect the solar panel to the waterproof box. The installation was completed.